Hey there! Remember the media library? It's been added a while ago and maybe you have forgotten about it. Let's take a look. So here I have a logo that's repeated 32 times on each slide. For some reason it's not in the master slide because sometimes things just don't work out there. So how can we quickly change it? Let's say the boss comes to you and says, hey dude, we have a new logo, you have to switch it with this one. What do? Do you change it 32 times or do you have an ace up your sleeve? So what we can do is we go to view, we click media library. Now here we can see all the images we use throughout the course and we can quickly switch it with another image. So down here we have replace, and now we can replace it from a file if it's on our disk or from the content library. I'll just use this one for this purpose. Let's say logo again and we'll select this flower, this lovely flower. It's spring almost, right? No. And we can close it. There we go. Image 32 times replaced with one click. Enjoy.